Insert the 2 straps behind the seat cushion into the back row from the gap in the chair. Insert the edge of the cushion into the gap of the original car. Unhook this cloth under the seat behind the front seat. Put 2 straps under the seat and then into the front row. Put on these 2 school bag buttons in front of the cushion and tighten the buttons. Attach the middle strap to the iron hook. Hang the iron hook on any iron bar under the seat. Hang the hook under the seat in the same way. Insert the cushion directly from above. Pull it neatly until it is completely wrapped. Install the bottom 3 buttons. Tuck the button into the back row through the seat gap. Install 2 hooks and hang them under the seat where there is iron. The other side of the front row is installed in the same way. Put the central armrest position on. Remove the rear headrest first. There are holes in these 2 positions of the headrest. Need to insert a small screwdriver into the hole to hold it. Press and hold the buckle on the other side and pull out the headrest at the same time. Separate the rear seats. Put the holster in from the side and pull up the mounting belt to pass through. Align the hole position and insert it. Adjust the position so that the whole package is wrapped and zipped. Tuck the lower part from the seat gap to the back. Put down the seat and pull it out of the gap and stick it on the back. Take off the headrest first. Put the headrest leather suit on and affix the hook and loop to fix it. Put on the head pillow. Put the glass holder down. Put the holster on directly. Insert the lower part through the gap. Pull it out of the gap and stick it on the upper part. Carefully adjust the position. Insert the labeled end of the holster at the lowest position of the water cup holder. Then, the periphery is stuffed in, and the molding position of the lowermost belt is stuffed into the gap of the trunk. Put the middle backrest down and pull out the lower hook and loop. Stick the leather cover of the middle cushion on the hole. Put the holster in directly after putting down the seat and adjust the position. Tuck the lower part from the seat gap to the back. Pull it out of the back gap and stick it on the back. The headrest holster is directly covered with hook and loop. Restore the headrest. Lift the rear seat up and remove it directly, but pay attention to the plug on the right bottom of the seat. Lift the seat slightly and pull the plug. Take out the rear seat and put it in an empty position. Put the holster on directly and carefully adjust each position. Turn the seat to the back. Fasten the school bag and tighten it. Plug in the rear seat. Align the seat with the safety hole and put it back. Installation completed.